When they say criminal and the Biafra land, so that people will clap onto them, you are trying. Why not in the West? Criminal. Why not in the North? Where Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, kidnappers, bandits, Ashwab, all them are operating. Why not over there in Biafra land? So they will say you are doing your work. You are checkmating. I'm telling you, the problem and the insecurity in Biafra land are caused by Nigerian security agents. Now, Nigerian security agents can come out and claim whatever they want to claim. Though they say they killed criminals, on what action do they kill them? On what action? Do you see them with any weapon, gun, cutlass, or any other type of instrument of destruction? Do you call them red-handed where they are stealing or where they are kidnapping? Do you call them where they are raping or vandalizing any property? Where do you make them and kill them? That's number one question. And who are these people that are criminals? Are they innocent citizens, passerby, or the people you went to their residence and killed them? Where did you kill them? You see, Nigerian armed forces or policemen, army, are fond of when they have strong opposition or encounter strong opposition. When they were defeated or humiliated, when they are not able to achieve what they're supposed to achieve as security agent, they will went and look for innocent people and kill them. They wouldn't mind kill them and take one piece to put in their hand and say they are criminals. This is the gun we found on them. Or go and sew one cloth called the time to be Biafran flag and cover them and say they are IPOBs. Completely lie. Do investigation. If care is not taken, you will see that those people killed are innocent people. Like Akpo killing in Abuja during Obasanjo regime. At the initiative, they were here that they were cash snatchers. But at the initiative, it became to be that there are people that went to nightclub because one Fulani force head want to took their girlfriend away. One of the girls that told them, but that girl said no. Resist. Say this is my boyfriend and these are my people. Because of him, they went and stopped them on the road as they were living in the night and killed them. This is how normally it happen in Biafra. This is how normally it happen in Nigeria. When they say criminal and the Biafra land, so that people will clap onto them, you are trying. Why not in the West? Criminal. Why not in the North? Where Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, kidnappers, bandits, Ashwab, all them are operating. Why not over there in Biafra land? So they will say you are doing your work. You are checkmating. I'm telling you, the problem and the insecurity in Biafra land are caused by Nigerian security agents. That place has become a testing ground. When they were trained finishing, they go to that place to go and learn how to use trigger like a jitter, waving their hand, using their hand on the jitter, on the trigger of gun, like when they're using their hand on the wires of jitter. When instrumental musicians are swinging their hand in the wire of a jitter. This is how they do it. Oh, foul! All those they say is lie. Let them come and prove it. Let them come and show all the area. Prove where they are criminals. Okay, criminals, different criminals, or Nigerian criminals. Are they different criminals or are they Nigerian criminals? Why is it so? Eh? Look, to me, I have said it. I hate shedding of blood. If they are criminals, why can't them arrest them and do what? Go through process, law process, investigate them. Okay, you shoot criminals. On a shootout, they have gun, you have gun. You people are shooting yourself, each other, and you kill 27. And none of you got injury. None of the police people got injury, or army people got injury. So you are able to kill all 27 criminals, and none of your men got injury. And your car or your distance, no blade to touch it. You kill criminals. Do you think that it's easy to kill criminals and go free without them replying you? Eh?
So ekpa is right now.
Ekpa is right.
Ekpa is right.
Ekpa is right. They went and killed individuals, innocent people, passerbys. You are ignorant, don't know what is going on. It seems like as we are here now talking, police will come and shoot. Eh? Do you know that the time IPOB one family operating, they will go in the village, different village, see people that sit down holding family meeting, they will shoot them. Hey, sorry. They will shoot them and say that they are IPOBs. When it's ordinary people, family, holding their family meeting, they take them IPOB and shoot all of them. Eh? This is unacceptable before God and man. It's a sin before God. Shedding people's blood.
So innocent people just.
God will say, "Thou shalt not kill." Okay, what law did you people break that made you to kill them? What law did they break? What Nigerian law did they break that made you to kill them and say you have killed 27 criminals? Okay, clap for them. They have killed 27 criminals. They tried well. May God have mercy upon them in Jesus' name.
Yeah, what the Samaritan said is truth, but let's go back the kind of security Nigeria have. Even in this Lagos state here, you see that Nigeria securities, whether police, army, or whatever it is, they are not doing their good job. Nigeria don't have security. We always focus for the indigene, the genuine of Nigerians. Like we as a normal citizen of Nigeria, genuine people, when they pass anyhow on the road, police can arrest you. If you don't have people, they will do what? They will jail you. And the people that commit atrocity in this nation, you never come outside one day, see that police arrest those people or military kill those people. Okay, let me use what is happening in the north since how many years ago. Since north or some part of Nigeria, and this Nigeria here, Lagos State and Ogun State, you see what is terrorists doing in the whole Nigeria. And we have police and army. You see those people, they never catch one of those terrorists since how many years ago? Now, they just went somewhere for Enugu State and kill the innocent people. He said that those people, they are armed robbers. Hey, I remember before, when you see when armed robbers, they are robbing in somewhere else, when they call police on the phone, they will start giving an excuse. Which place? What is the color of the house? After everything, you explain everything, they will tell you that they don't have fuel on their motor. That's what is going on in Nigeria here. Dude, Nigeria police will kill 27 armed robbers. My brother, no. It's not true. It's not true. What has
You don't think it's true that the police?
My bro, it's not that I think. Listen, it's not truth. The people, they kill the innocent people. And I know those innocent people, the people he's talking about, the Biafrans. Are you getting me? They see those people as the enemy. Even in Nigeria here, police see us as a people on the street as enemy. We with them, we are not in a good time. You see, when they do NSAS, the people that hijack NSAS, did the police arrest those people? The answer is no.
No, in fact, some of the protesters they protested that they even arrested and they just released them after 3 years yesterday.
You see, the genuine people, particularly the people that are causing the atrocity in the nation, police cannot arrest them. Look at what happened in election, federal, when they said that if Igbo people come outside and vote, they will destroy the Igbo properties, they will injure them. The security of Nigeria arrest those people, and the security know those people, the bad mafians. By that they already come outside boldly, because what is happening in the east, they kill the innocent people. They say it's a armed robbers. For where? It's not the armed robber. Even though it's the armed robbers, what did you call you as a security? They have the training to arrest those people, to judge them before to kill them. Let them go develop countries. Look at ordinary Ghana here. If you think for Ghana here now, Ghana, just Ghana, you know what will happen? They have whistle, they will blow. Security will surrender the whole places. They will arrest that person. They will not kill the person. They will arrest it till the judgment day. Why Nigeria police, they didn't have that the same training? He said that he killed 27 people. Let's clap for them now. They do good well. Dirty job. And you know, arrest people that they can come outside and defend themselves. You know, who they kill cannot defend himself. As I'm talking now, they shoot me, I die. I can't defend myself. Whatever they say now, everybody will do what? Will believe. Like the one that happened for Lagos State here.
Except there's a witness.
Yeah? They kill people, they say those people, they are kidnappers. Why? What those people are alive, carry them, go to court will prosecute them, say, yeah, these people, they are armed robber or they kidnapper, or those people, they are innocent. He cannot kill me finish, he said that I'm armed robber. How can I come outside and defend myself? No. Whatever Samanika said is truth. Because those people cannot defend themselves because they already killed them. They are Igbos. The people that are causing atrocity in the north, Ogun State, some part of Nigeria, you never kill them. In Lagos State here, you see Malam. Malam. They will drive Wakada, you will see many of them have what? Jackknife. If you talk in the heart, they say they will shoot the person. Why police didn't kill those people finish? The Nigerian police didn't know that those aboki, they have that kind of weapon for their machine? Or all those Malam, they do they punish you. The Nigerian police didn't see them. The Nigerian law have the law say some group of people will carry ammunition and move around on the street. You see innocent people and kill them. You say that the armed robber. The major armed robber didn't kill them. Those people you call robber, the armed robber pass our politician. They tip more than our politician. Let them answer that question. Even then they say call their security. Did their hand pure? If their hand pure, that's when you can judge person. But you know that your hand is not clean and they are judging person. And the people you are judging is not the right people. You are judging the innocent people. Those people, 27 people they killed, they are innocent people. Whether Nigeria like it or they leave it. As far as Nigeria didn't carry those people come to court and tell them that what you did is wrong, you can go 8 years in prison or 5 years in prison or 2 years in prison. But to kill them is not the right judgment to those 28 people, whether they be armed robber or they're not. But I know that they are not armed robber.
They're not armed robber.
Yeah.
And this thing now has proven to Finland people that you are wholeheartedly own Simon Akpan and support Simon Akpan. Are you getting it? in every step that he takes. No negotiation again. And now you are cutting ties with the Finland, and you wanted somebody from the Finland. How do you think it's going to be possible? You are creating an enmity already. No more relationship and no more friendship. And there is something I want you to understand by the special grace of God based on my field. There are things relationship will give you that money cannot give you. Are you hearing me? I said there are things relationship can provide for you, which money cannot give you. Are you hearing me? So Nigeria have lost the charisma of relationship. They believe so much that everything is about money. Everything is not money. Everything is not money. Are you hearing me? Relationship is very, very important. And whereby you needed somebody from somebody, or you want to get somebody through somebody, you need a relationship. Are you hearing me? You need a relationship in order to get that which you want. You get it? You need a relationship. It is very, very important. It's very, very important. Relationship is very, very important. And Nigeria is lacking that relationship. Then, let's take a look at what happened between Nigeria and Niger. Do you know that the respect of Nigeria have gone down when it comes to Niger now? Nigeria doesn't have any thing again with Niger. They don't have anything again to do with the Burkina Faso.
So no relationship?
No relationship any longer. Burkina Faso, Mali, Senegal, and Niger. These 4 nations now, they have formed an alliance. Are you getting it? They have formed an alliance in order to have one currency and to form one, to become one, and they have, you know, like I say, they want to become one, and they are ready now not to have any business with the so-called ECOWAS, because ECOWAS, as a board, are not standing on the truth. They don't want truth, and these people need truth and the safety of their own citizens. They are interested in their people, but in Nigeria, the so-called leaders are not interested in their own people. And you getting it? See, the relationship, like I said, is a key to success of whatsoever you intend to achieve in life. Shutting down the embassy will never help Nigeria. Rather, it will hurt Nigeria, because it will not give them the room to succeed with their intention towards Simon Ekpa. And this thing now has proven to Finland people that you are wholeheartedly own Simon Ekpa and support Simon Ekpa. Are you getting it? In every step that he takes, no negotiation again. Are you getting it? So, and then the one called Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister himself, now will use this wing to balance himself very well. And let me tell you, hear this, and let me tell you this, Nigeria is losing weight so badly, heavily. They are losing their weight international, heavily. They are just managing and packaging. Nigeria is finished. Nigeria is finished. Do you know, as in case you don't know, let me remind you, as it is now, Nigeria are not paying their debt. Rather, they only service. They only service their debt. They are not paying. That means they don't have what it takes again. Nigeria is going down every day. There's what we call liquidation. Nigeria is facing what we call, Oyibo call liquidation. Nigeria is liquidating every day. Every day they are liquidating. You said?
Is that a good sign?
That means there is no good sign. It's not a good omen. It's not a good omen. And you are answering giant of Africa. It shocks me. In fact, it's giant where? In which aspect? In which aspect? Is it in economy? Because to be a giant, you must be economically buoyant, strong, strengthened. But you lack it.